Starting around 02 August 2023, Cardano essentially is exchanging at 30 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11%, in most recent 1 hour, in an exceptionally enormous manner. ADA truly has a by and large complete market cap of $10,620,208,087, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $205,175,848, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This truly makes Cardano, ADA, certainly positioning at 7 in the digital currency market. Or so they explicitly thought. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano sort of be somewhat worth in 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. Is Cardano a wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will ADA cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? These really are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to generally cross a by and large normal value level of 36 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to basically be 34 cents in a really significant manner. Besides, ADA can generally arrive at a truly greatest value level of 39 cents in a sort of huge manner. Cardano value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to explicitly be at around a sort of least of 29 cents in an extremely enormous manner. Cardano cost can fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 33 cents, with the typical cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Cardano value expectation September 2023. Cardano cost by and large is supposed to basically reach between 31 cents to 35 cents in September 2023. While the in every way that really matters, normal cost of ADA for the September fundamentally remains around 33 cents. Cardano value forecast October 2023. Cardano cost explicitly is supposed to sort of reach between 32 cents to 36 cents in October 2023, while the in every practical sense, normal cost of ADA for the October for the most part remains around 34 cents. Cardano, ADA, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Cardano essentially is for the most part anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a typical cost of 35 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 37 cents and a truly least of 34 cents, which is genuinely huge. Cardano value expectation December 2023. The cost of Cardano generally is truly anticipated to basically reach at a kind of least worth of 34 cents in December 2023 in a huge way. The ADA cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme worth of 39 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 36 cents, all through 2023. Cardano genuinely passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every way that really matters has been in a real sense diminished by 0.1% in its especially current worth, which truly is very critical. On the off chance that we fundamentally look at the really current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down in a very significant way. Cardano truly is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that the ADA cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest worth of 39 cents, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of 36 cents, all through 2023. Cardano, by and large past value examination and the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been generally diminished by 0.1% in its truly current worth in a sort of significant manner. The ADA really is down to nearly 0.5% in the especially most recent 7 days further appearance. How might ADA cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? In spite of mainstream thinking, the coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections 4 in every practical sense. Past truly couple of days, the coin could fundamentally have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment, which by and that's what large shows in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking? Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA generally diminished by 32.311%, taking out an astounding sort of normal amount of 14 cents from its sort of current worth, which basically is genuinely huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at this moment, implying that it can be a most certainly great sort of purchase and open door for sort of speedy speculation, exhibiting how Cardano by and large is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that the ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of 39 cents, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of 36 cents. All through 2023. Cardano kind of past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been for the most part diminished by 0.1% in its truly current worth in a huge manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 20.14%, and the cost certainly coursed from a base really normal cost of 37 cents to by and large most extreme certainly normal cost of 39 cents, in the especially beyond 90 days, exhibiting how this for the most part makes Cardano, ADA, exceptionally positioning at 7 in the digital currency market, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In especially most recent 4 months, Cardano generally has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we explicitly feel that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, which generally is very huge. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano basically is expanded from 4 months, which generally is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, or so they most certainly thought. The coin sort of is up by 11.25% with the in every way that really matters greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around 27 cents, and the truly least certainly normal cost of truly was around 26 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, showing how these basically are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which generally is very huge. Cardano Value Gauge 2023 facts. What will by and large be Cardano truly worth in 2023? Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking, the ADA cost for the most part is estimated to truly arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 39 cents, with genuinely least cost of 34 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Exhibiting how the ADA certainly is down to nearly 0.5% in every practical sense. Most recent 7 days, truly further appearance. How might ADA cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high, which especially is very huge?